Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an American grocery store. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a man and the international student staying with his family. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does BOGO mean at an American grocery store? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina. Are you ready for grocery shopping?
Yes, I love coming with you. What is that paper in your hand?
This is the circular. It's a paper with the store's sales.
I see.
I check it every Sunday when the coupon inserts come out.
Coupon inserts? What are those?
They are pages with sales and coupons from different stores. Every Sunday, our newspaper has them.
I see. Is that a coupon on the front page?
Not quite. Look, the front page even has a big word for sales, like this.
I see it, but I don't know that word yet.
You will learn it soon, I promise.
That is smart. Do you use coupons every week?
Most weeks, yes, but this week I want to save extra money.
Why extra money this week?
Well, we are going camping this weekend, remember?
Oh, right, the camping trip.
I want to buy a new tent for the camping trip.
So you want to spend less on food this week?
Exactly. If I save money on groceries, I can spend that money on the tent instead.
That is a great plan. Can I help you find the best deals?
Sure. Let's get a cart first, then we can look at the circular together.
Okay. This cart has a small wheel problem. Let's get another one.
Good idea. There are more carts over there by the entrance.
Got it. This one looks better.
Perfect. Now let's start shopping. I want to check the produce section first.
Sounds good. Show me the coupons on the way.
Sure. Look, this coupon is for pasta, and this one is for orange juice.
I drink orange juice every morning. Let's get that one.
Good choice. Look, canned tomatoes are on sale this week too.
Nice. I like tomatoes. That's good to know.
I will put the coupons in my pocket so I don't lose them.
Haha. Okay. You are very organized, David.
I try to be. Saving money takes some planning.
I am learning a lot today already, and we just started.
This week's list is a little longer because of the camping trip. Here we are, the produce section. What do you need, Mina?
I want to buy apples. But look, there are 2 bags. Which one is better?
Let's check the price. This big bag is $6. The small bag is $3.
So the small bag is cheaper, right?
Not always. Look here, under the price. Do you see this small number?
Yes, it says price per pound. What does that mean?
That is called the unit price. It tells you the cost for 1 pound of apples.
Oh, I never noticed that before.
Most stores show it under the regular price in small letters. It helps you compare different sizes.
So which bag has the better unit price?
Let's see. The big bag is $1.50 per pound.
Okay.
The small bag is $2 per pound.
So the big bag is cheaper per pound.
Exactly. Even though it costs more money in total, each pound is cheaper.
That is very useful. I always just looked at the total price before.
A lot of people do that, but the unit price helps you make a smarter choice.
I will remember this for every food from now on.
Good. It works for cereal, milk, meat, almost everything in the store.
Should we get the big bag then?
Yes, we eat a lot of apples at home. The big bag makes sense for us.
Great. I will put it in the cart.
Thanks. Let's also grab some bananas while we're here.
Okay. Do bananas have a unit price too?
Yes, look right there, under the price sign.
I see it now. Shopping is like a little math class today.
You could say that. Smart shopping saves real money.
Should we get some oranges too for camping?
Good idea. Oranges are easy to carry and don't need a fridge.
Okay, let's take a bag. I'm getting better at this already.
Let's check the canned food aisle next. I need some canned beans and soup.
Okay. Wait, David, look at this sign. It says BOGO. What does that mean?
Good question. BOGO means buy one, get one.
Buy one, get one? Get one what?
Get one free. If you buy one can, you get a second can for free.
Really? That sounds amazing.
Sometimes it is not totally free.
What do you mean?
Some signs say BOGO 50% off. That means the second item is half price.
So I need to read the sign carefully?
Yes, always check the small words under BOGO.
Let's look at this one. It says BOGO free for canned corn.
Perfect. Let's get 2 cans. We will use them for dinner this week.
This is such a good deal. Do all stores use this word?
Many stores here use it. You will see BOGO a lot, especially on signs and in the circular.
I'm glad I asked. Now I understand the sign from the front page of the circular, too.
Great connection. That is exactly what it means.
So today's word is BOGO, buy one, get one.
That's right. Now let's grab some more canned beans, too. We need them for camping meals.
Is there a BOGO deal for beans?
Let me check. Not this week, but we still have a coupon for them.
Nice. We can save money 2 different ways today.
Exactly. Coupons and BOGO deals together really add up.
I love learning these shopping tricks. It feels like a game.
A game where you win real money. Let's keep going. Wait, there's another BOGO sign here for canned soup.
Perfect timing. We wanted canned soup for camping, remember?
Yes, let's get 4 cans. 2 free, 2 paid. Nice math. You are really getting good at this, Mina.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Of course. I work here at the customer service desk. How can I help you?
I saw 2 prices on a shelf. One price was higher and one was lower. Why is that?
That happens a lot. Do you have our store app or a loyalty card?
No, I don't have one. What is that?
It is a free membership program.
Okay.
You sign up with your name and email, and you get a card or an app.
And that changes the price?
Yes, the higher price is the regular price. The lower price is the member price.
So without the card, I always pay the higher price?
That's right, but it is very easy to join. Let me show you on this tablet.
Okay, thank you.
See this screen? These are digital coupons. You can add them to your account with one tap.
Wow, There are so many coupons here.
Yes, and they update every week. Some are for specific brands, others for whole categories like dairy or snacks.
Can I sign up right now?
Sure, it only takes 2 minutes. What is your email address?
It's mina.student@example.com.
Great, I am creating your account now. There, you're all set.
That was fast. Thank you so much, Leo.
No problem. Now, open the app and you will see your member price at checkout today.
This is great. I can tell David about this app too.
Yes, tell your friends. At this store, your family can use the same account.
I will. This will really help us save money this week.
Happy to help. Enjoy your shopping.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, let's find the canned tomatoes from the circular. They were on sale for $1.
I see the shelf, but it looks empty.
Oh no, they're sold out. That happens sometimes with popular sale items.
That's too bad. Now we have to pay full price somewhere else?
Not always. Look at this little sign next to the empty shelf.
It says, "Out of stock, take a rain check slip below." What is a rain check?
A rain check is a paper ticket. The store gives it for a sold-out sale item.
And what does the ticket do?
You can use it later when the store gets more of the item. You still pay the sale price.
Oh, so I don't lose the discount even next week?
Exactly. Look, there's a little pad of tickets right here on the shelf.
I see it. Let's take one and fill in today's date.
Good idea. I will write canned tomatoes in the sale price too.
There, all done. Now we have our rain check.
That is a really helpful system. In Japan, I never saw something like that.
Really? What other times can you use this word?
For example, imagine a friend invites you to dinner, but you are busy.
Okay.
You can say, "Can I take a rain check?"
Oh, that means maybe next time, right?
Exactly right. You understand it well.
I like this phrase. I will use it with my friends.
Good. Now, let's see how much we have saved so far today.
Let me think. The coupons, the BOGO deal, and the member prices.
It might be more than I expected. We're doing well this week.
I hope it is enough for your camping gear.
Me too. Let's keep shopping and see. Now, let's get cereal and some pasta for the week.
There are so many boxes here. This brand is well known, but it is expensive.
Look right next to it. Do you see this other box?
Yes, it looks almost the same, but the name is different.
That is the store brand. Some people call it generic.
Is it different from the well-known brand?
Some store brand foods taste almost the same. Others taste a little different.
Really?
We can try this one and see.
Okay.
The store brand doesn't spend money on TV commercials, so it can be cheaper.
How much cheaper is it?
Usually 20 to 30% less than the well-known brand.
That is a big difference. Let's check the price here.
The well-known brand is $4. The store brand is $2.80.
Wow, we save more than $1 on just one box.
And we probably won't notice a difference in taste.
Let's try the store brand then.
Sounds good.
If we don't like it, we can go back to the well-known brand next time.
That's a smart way to test it. Let's do the same with the pasta.
This store brand pasta is even cheaper, only $1.
Great. Little savings like this add up over the whole cart.
I am starting to understand why you like this kind of shopping.
It feels like a small puzzle every time. Find the best price, save a little more.
I think we are saving a lot today. Maybe enough for a new tent.
I hope so. Let's finish the list and go check out.
Should we get the store brand pasta sauce too?
Sure, let's check the ingredients first.
They look almost the same. Let's grab the cheaper one. This is the last item. I think we are done shopping.
Great! Let's go to the self-checkout. It's usually faster.
Okay, I will scan the items. You can bag them.
Deal. Let's see how everything adds up.
This is fun. I like scanning each item myself.
First, scan the loyalty app barcode. That adds your member prices.
Okay, I am scanning it now. The screen says, "Welcome, Mina."
Perfect. Now scan the paper coupons one by one.
Got it. I see the price go down for the orange juice.
Nice. The coupon worked. Let's scan the rest of the coupons too.
Okay, that's the last one. Now the last can of corn. Let's check the total.
Let's look at the screen.
Wait, David, look at this line at the bottom. It says you saved $25 today.
Really? Let me see. Wow, that is a lot.
Is that from the coupons and the BOGO deal?
Yes, and the member prices from the app you got today.
That's amazing. $25 is a lot of money.
Actually, Mina, that is exactly how much a new tent costs.
Really? So today's shopping paid for your camping gear?
It looks like it. I can buy the tent this afternoon with the money we saved.
That is perfect. Our little shopping game really worked.
It did. Between the Sunday circular, the unit prices, and the BOGO deal, we saved a lot.
Don't forget the rain check for the tomatoes and the store brand cereal.
Right, and your new loyalty app too. Every little thing helped.
That BOGO deal on the soup helped a lot too.
It did. You remembered the word from the circular this morning.
I did. I'm proud of myself.
You should be. You learned so much about grocery shopping today.
Now let's go get that new tent with our savings.
Sounds like a great plan. Thanks for shopping with me, Mina.
Thank you for teaching me so much. Let's go camping.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does BOGO mean at an American grocery store? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.